Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Xiaomi C701 offline issue. So first, take the cable and unplug it, and then wait a couple of seconds and then plug it once again to restart the connection. You can check the router at the same time to ensure that you have the internet connection at home. Then go into the camera settings and right here, go back and then here our firmware update and make sure that it is up to date. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.